Signs that he is a narcissist. This is for the girls, okay? Disclaimer, this is for the girls. Ano nga ba narcissist? Bakit iiwasan natin yung mga narcissist? Because having a relationship with a narcissist person, sisirain yung mental health nyo, girls, okay? So, here are the signs. Pa lang na relationship nyo, todo-todo na yung pagbibigay nyo ng compliment, ng love. Ang tawag dito is love bombing. Iba kasi nagkakakilala pa lang kayo on the first stage and magkaiba din naman yung ginagawa ng narcissist. Ang ginagawa kasi ng narcissist is, napasabi na niya, we are destined, meant to be talaga tayo. Ikaw talaga hinahanap ko. Yung mga ganyan linyahan, guys. Narcissist yan, narcissist. Kumbaga parang, romantic naman. Pero lalo pa niyang nire-romanticize. Lalo na sa unang parts pa lang, mga first week, sobrang romanticize agad. My God, paling narcissist yan. Pangalawa, the makaawa effect. So, ano nga ba yung makaawa effect? Nagkikwento sila sa buhay nila about na inaapi sila, or basta yung kwento nila, guys, ganito. Laging sila yung biktima, laging sila yung kawawa, laging sila yung inaapi. Okay? Ginagawa nila yon para maawa ka sa kanila. Okay? Malamang da. Okay, narcissist people know that people are empathetic and mas madali siguro magpaikot kapag yung tao is very empathetic. They're very concerned with their appearance. Like, walang masama doon, guys, walang masama. Pero kapag alam niyo naman yung ibig sabihin ng obsessed na yung extreme na yung pagka-obsessed nila sa appearance nila at sa reputation nila, narcissist yan. They lack empathy. Wala silang paki kung masaktan ka, wala silang paki sa feelings mo, basically. Pwedeng nung una, guys, super affectionate ang narcissist person na to, like, grabe yung pagka-love bomb niya, then after, hindi na. Narcissist yan. Siyempre, guys, gaslight. Yun naman yung gaslight. Pag napapansin nyo na gina-gaslight na niya kayo, kunyari, meron kayong i-open na topic or problem sa kanya, and then mababalik sa inyo, narcissist yan. So, will it work? For me, maubos kayo, again, emotionally and physically. So, I don't really recommend dating a narcissist. They really have to grow themselves out. So, I hope it helps. Mwah!